Local law enforcement has contacted you regarding a break-in that recently occurred at a building near your business. They have video of the two suspects entering your coffee shop prior to committing the break-in and are requesting access to the video footage you captured of them inside your store. Let's use Solink to do just that. First thing I'll do is navigate over to the video tab. The police provided me with the approximate time that the suspects would have been at my location, so I'll open up the calendar here in the top left and select the date and time. I'm actually going to set myself just a few minutes beforehand to make sure I don't miss the event. Now I select the video and I'm right into watching the video occur. I can see that the two suspects walk in through my dining room entrance. I'm going to crisp up the image a little bit more by using our HD function, and now I'm going to save the clip. When I go in and save this clip, it's going to give me a number of different options. First off, I want to add a few more camera angles so that we can provide the police with as much context as possible. Now, from there, I'm able to narrow in the time frame. The police requested video for the full hour of the event, so I can do that easily by selecting the hour option. Then, I'll add a title and any notes that I think could be helpful. And finally, I'll enter the police's email address and select Save. And it's that easy. No need for USBs or DVDs. Simply save and share straight from your Solink platform. Being able to quickly provide your local police with this evidence promotes a strong partnership with them, which results in better loss prevention and security in your community. A win-win for everybody.